Hey, welcome to the Android channel, and today we are talking about a free app that's quite cool, available on the Google Play Store. And so if we go and examine the Play Store, it's Google Earth. It's available for free, and it's one of those apps that you absolutely need to own on Android and on pretty much any device, PC, Windows, iOS for iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. And on your Android phone, well, you of course have Google Earth free of charge available. So if it's not pre-installed, go and get it. It's a great app to explore the world around you and to kind of have a bird's eye view, a satellite view of everything on Earth. Once it's installed on your computer, you'll have that blue with white lines Earth icon. And what it does, well, basically it's simply a way of checking out the world around you. So you can move around Earth and examine different spaces, what it looks like from satellite, and you can actually even enter an address and see wherever it is. So for example, if I enter 1200, well, here it says Market Street, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and you'll have that 3D moving, and you'll be going down towards the city, and you'll have, as the maps download, clearer view of the spots where you are. It takes somewhat a little bit of time sometimes to actually have a view of a spot in your area, because it downloads maps from the internet. And that's one little caution, word of caution here. If you're using this app on a mobile device, don't forget that it actually downloads a lot of data, because it does download a lot of maps to actually show you on all the pictures, to show you what it looks like in an area. So if you're moving around, for example, like I'm doing here, you'll notice that the maps will tend to actually work around, and they get clearer. You see that the upper portion of my screen was kind of weird, and then it came all clear, and that's because it's actually loading the different views that you are going through. So it's all downloaded towards your phone or your mobile device from the internet. So if you're on your carrier and you have limited internet access, be careful, because you'll really get a surprise bill if you're not. But apart from that, it's a great app to find almost anything you want. It has all sorts of features. If you look at the different settings, you can put a certain cache size. So for example, if you're in your area, you wanted to have the satellite view of maybe the city you live in, what you could do is plug your phone into a Wi-Fi. So if you have your mobile device plugged into Wi-Fi, and put the maximum cache size that's available in your phone, so that it will pre-download these maps, and when you're outside showing them to your friends, you don't have to download once again. You have different types of quality on the device. So for example, if you click image quality here, it's at low. If I click high, it means all the maps and all the information that I actually am going to look at is going to be much higher quality, but will take much more data for downloading. So you got to be careful with that, because you might actually get quite surprised. And of course, you can add your email or your Gmail account if you want to have really your personal preference settings show up into this little app. So it's a great app to learn more about the world around you. Google Earth is probably one of the favorite apps if you're looking for something around the world, looking at an area. Maybe you've been to an area in the world and you want to see a bird's eye view, you want to see where you live. You basically just, you know, search for it and everything's there. It's really nice. You can share through Facebook something you found, which is pretty cool, and you'll basically have all the information available. You will have also different information. If you look at the bottom of the app also, if you go back into Google Earth, you'll see that at the bottom there's this little tab that when you check on it, it will actually give you ideas of what you can look at, different places you can look at that are near the area you are watching on the map. So it's really cool. So for example, you say, oh, okay, let's go to Delaware, and it's moving around, showing you areas around where you are. And here's a higher view, and you get these little pictures that tell you, well, okay, well, we have some information and some stuff to look at on the map at different areas where you are. So it's a great app, free of charge. What do you want to ask for more? It's such a good quality app, and available for Android devices, of course. So take a peek, and hope that you enjoy playing around with Google Earth, which is of course great app to use on your Android devices, whatever they are. What you're seeing here is on my TV. This is from my little Google Android USB stick. So this is why you see it at such a big view. So if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel. We have lots of Android and lots more Android stuff coming up. And if you have any questions, comments, let us know. And hope you come back to the Android channel for more on everything Android. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.